Bitcoin has surged to nearly $93,500, reigniting the age-old debate. Is this a rally worth chasing or just another bubble waiting to burst? At the same time, gold, often seen as Bitcoin's traditional competitor, is showing signs of losing its luster. For those considering entering the crypto space, this moment might feel overwhelming. Soaring prices, extreme market sentiment, and endless predictions. But here's the thing, while the market buzzes with euphoria, some indicators suggest Bitcoin could still be undervalued. Curious about whether now is the time to buy or if you've missed the boat? What's really happening with Bitcoin, gold, and how can you navigate this moment of opportunity? The answer lies in a mix of short-term excitement and long-term fundamentals. On one hand, Trump's recent election victory has ignited optimism in the crypto space. Over the past months, he's positioned himself as an ally to Bitcoin, promising more favorable regulatory policies and surrounding himself with crypto advocates. This shift comes after years of regulatory challenges under figures like Gary Gensler, whose tenure at the SEC was marked by delays and resistance toward crypto innovations like ETFs. The market's response to Trump's win has been dramatic, with trading volumes skyrocketing and Bitcoin's price shooting up immediately as the results unfolded. Some other reasons for this? The elected president even spoke at a prominent Bitcoin event, showing how big his alignment is with the crypto community. The vice president, who owns Bitcoin, adds another layer of credibility to this administration's pro-crypto stance. Their collaboration with influential figures like Elon Musk and Charles Hoskinson further highlights the potential for transformative partnerships that pushed Bitcoin's adoption to new heights. Coincidentally, the proposed Bitcoin Act, aiming to establish Bitcoin as part of the United States' strategic reserves, has added even more excitement. While its approval remains uncertain, the mere discussion of such legislation signals a turning point for Bitcoin's role in the global economy. Despite this euphoria, the data reveals that the market isn't as overheated as it has been in previous cycles. Many are surprised by Bitcoin's price performance, but when viewed through the lens of the stock-to-flow model, it aligns with historical trends, making it less surprising to seasoned analysts. The Fear and Greed Index is at extreme greed levels, but metrics like the Mayer multiple and MVRV ratio paint a different picture. The Mayer multiple, which compares Bitcoin's price to its 200-day moving average, stands at 1.4, far from the danger zone of 2.4 seen in past speculative bubbles. Similarly, the MVRV ratio shows that Bitcoin's market value relative to realized value isn't signaling extreme overvaluation. These indicators suggest that while excitement is high, we're not seeing the kind of irrational exuberance that led to sharp corrections in 2017 or 2021. Meanwhile, gold, Bitcoin's closest competitor as a store of value, recently hit its own all-time high before slightly declining. For years, gold has been the go-to asset for preserving wealth during times of economic uncertainty. However, Bitcoin offers advantages that gold simply cannot match. It's scarce, like gold, but also digital, portable, and resistant to physical degradation. While critics argue that being digital is a disadvantage, many see it as one of Bitcoin's greatest strengths. At the same time, we're seeing a noticeable drain of cash from gold ETFs as investors shift their focus toward Bitcoin. This trend highlights how institutional and retail investors are rethinking their strategies and moving funds into what many view as the digital gold. Some economists even predict that Bitcoin could capture half of gold's market value.
I think Bitcoin's going to hit all-time highs. It hit them today, and I think it's going further, right? My basic premise is that ultimately Bitcoin's value will be half of that of all the gold outstanding. So you're talking about something like $300,000 for Bitcoin.
A milestone that might not be as far off as it seems. With institutions pouring into Bitcoin and even BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF surpassing its gold counterpart in net assets within months of launching, the shift in investor preference is becoming clearer. Whether you're a beginner or seeking deeper insights, in the CryptoVagabonds Academy, we offer unique perspectives to help you make smart decisions in the crypto space. Take your knowledge to the next level. In the short term, volatility remains a given. Bitcoin's rapid climb could see a correction, especially if broader financial markets experience turbulence. However, the long-term outlook is difficult to ignore. With fiat currencies continually losing value due to inflation and debt levels reaching historic highs, Bitcoin's fixed supply and growing adoption position it as a hedge against economic instability. Gold may retain its throne for a few more years, but Bitcoin is steadily building its case as the ultimate store of value. For those new to Bitcoin or considering entering the market, it's crucial to think long-term. Trying to time the market in moments like this is risky. Instead, strategies like dollar-cost averaging, regularly investing small amounts over time, allow you to build a position without exposing yourself to the unpredictable swings of the market. Bitcoin's fundamentals remain strong, and the current rally, while exciting, is just another chapter in its ongoing story of adoption and growth. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're constantly diving into the latest trends, insights, and strategies to help you navigate the world of Bitcoin and beyond. Bitcoin isn't just challenging gold, it's redefining how we think about value in a digital age. Whether it's reaching new heights or facing inevitable dips, its trajectory is unmistakably upward. That's it for today. Don't forget to stay curious and stay hodling.